Hi, boys and girls. For this activity, you are going to find different forces in your classroom. So I want you to look around your classroom. Do you see things that you can push? Do you see things that you can pull? In this box, you're going to draw a picture of things that you see in your classroom that you can push. You're going to draw those right in this box. See this little boy pushing the car? That's going to tell you to draw things that you can push here. Can you see things in your classroom that you can pull? Look at this little girl using the magnet. The magnet is pulling the beads up to the magnet. So if you see something in your classroom that you know you can pull, you're going to draw a picture of it in this box. Have fun!